I got my check. Here it is, right here as a proof. There are billions of dollars out there of unclaimed money and unclaimed property. I know those are hard financial times, so stay with me and I will show you how you can claim your money right away. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion, and in this video I will show you again how to go out there and get a check just like I did. For those of you that are part of my community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. And if you're not a subscriber and this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now. It is free. And I will bring you daily updates and personal finance tips. Let's get straight to the details on how you can find your unclaimed money. If you're following my channel, you know my goal is to provide value with every single video. About a week ago, I did my first video on how people can find unclaimed money and unclaimed property out there. The link to the video will be right up here if you want to see it. Within a week or so, between friends and family members, we were able to find and claim over $2,000. Now, if you're skeptical about all this, well, here is the proof. This is my check that I received from the state of Utah Division of Finances. Yes, it is not a crazy amount of money. It is only $90.22, but it is better than nothing. Those were money I found sitting out there for years waiting to be claimed. I have friends that were able to find over $500 of unclaimed money. They never knew were there. After they saw my video, they were able to claim and get their check. Also, a couple of family members were able to claim over $200 each as well, just by following the steps that I'm going to show you again. So, here's what you need to do in order to claim your money and get a check just like I did. The process is very simple. And yet again, yes, this is real. I just received my check. So, go straight to www.unclaimed.org. The link will be down in the description as well. This is the website of the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators. Once you're on the website, scroll down just a little bit until you see a huge map of the United States. And simply click on the state you want to check for unclaimed money. Keep in mind, you have to check any and all states you have lived in before. Once you click on the state, this will take you to that particular state website to find your unclaimed property or unclaimed money. Most states I tried, all they asked for is first name and last name in order to run the search. Go over the last few states you've lived in and check if there is any unclaimed money waiting for you. Also, don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family so they can learn how to do this as well, okay? Those are money that people have most likely completely forgotten about, and now more than ever, they deserve to know how to claim that and receive a check just like I did. There is one more website you need to check as well, and that is www.usa.gov/unclaimed-money. This link will also be down in the description, and on that site, as you can see, you can search for unclaimed money in your state. You can search for unclaimed money from employers. You can search for unclaimed money from insurance. You can search for money from tax refunds, search for money from banking and investment, and international unclaimed money. So as you can see, there are a lot of options you can explore there as well. And don't forget to let me know down in the comments if you are able to find something that it's rightfully yours and claim it. The whole process is very simple and well worth your time, especially if you can find some extra money you can claim right away. I personally was able to claim only $90 from over a decade ago. Not a substantial amount by any means, but every little bit helps, right? I hope you're able to claim something that you might have forgotten about out there. So let me know down in the comments if this worked for you, if you have found some nice chunk of change, or if you have any questions or you need any help with the process. As you know, I bring you actionable content and updates as soon as physically possible with working around the clock for you. I want to say thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, hit that subscribe button, click that bell notification because I will continue to provide you with value with all my future videos. Remember to check thefinancekid.com as well, where you can get personalized answers from me for all your finance, business, and investing questions. Like and share the video so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will find all helpful links along with links to other videos. I hope this video was informative, provided some value for you, and you were able to find and claim some money. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.